Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Wyze Smart Home Starter Pack. And before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click the red button and click the bell and you'll get notified whenever videos come out. Okay, let's get started. So, what do we have here? We have the Wyze Smart Home Starter Pack, and it comes with all sorts of Wyze accessories and cameras. So let's take a look. Alright, first of all, they actually give you a 32 gig SD card. That's kind of handy so you don't have to worry about it for your camera. And that's just a spacer. The Wyze Sense. So Wyze Sense includes both a motion sensor as well as a door and window sensor. And what else is in here? Let's see. A Wyze bulb. I think there's going to be 3 of them in here. So 1, 2, and 3 Wyze bulbs, and a Wyze camera. So it's a good thing they gave us the memory card. So we have the Wyze camera, and let's see what else is in here. And lastly is the Wyze plug. So let's go open these up and see what they look like. There's directions, really, a quick start guide for the Wyze plug. And then there's 2, not 1, but 2 Wyze plugs. So that's kind of nice, right? Very simple. And I believe you can plug both of these in at the same time in an outlet. So that's kind of handy. So that's 1. Okay, we have the Wyze bulb. And it says it's 800 lumens. And so that's pretty bright. And here's the Wyze bulb. Oh, again, directions. And here's the bulb. So let's take a look. Nicely wrapped up. There it is, the Wyze bulb. Just screw it in, follow the directions. Alright, so that's the Wyze bulb. Okay, what's this here? Oh, the Wyze camera. This is the one that's just the camera that you can manually adjust. They also make one called the Wyze Cam Pan that is not included in this kit that you can adjust automatically using the app. So again, set of directions. I believe this is the power supply. So in here, it's everything you need. So you've got your USB cable, and I do recommend using their cable. We've found when you don't use their cable, it doesn't always seem to work well. So I always recommend using their cable. A mounting kit, and a USB adapter. So with all those things, you can hook up your camera. And let's take a look at the camera. All nicely wrapped up. So we'll nicely unwrap the camera. And here you go. There's the Wyze camera. That's the back. That's the front of the Wyze camera. And in the back, there's the USB connector for plugging in the camera to power it up, and there's also another connector in here that we're going to show in a minute that goes with the Wyze sensors. So again, the camera's nice. You can open it up, swivel it, and so forth. So there's your camera. And then the last but not least is the Wyze Sense. That's the motion sensor and the window and door sensor. So let's open this up. And what do we have? Well, what's interesting is right on the top. Okay, so let's see. We've opened that up. And right on the top is a little doohickey here for adjusting. You have to use this as a reset button. So they even give you the reset pick for that. And then they have the bridge that they use. This is the bridge that plugs into the back of the camera. And this is what allows the Wyze Sense devices to talk to your network, or actually to talk to the app for Wyze. And then it comes with, let's see, 1 motion sensor. So that's nice motion sensor. And it comes with 2 window and door sensors. Keep in mind with the camera will work with the cloud, so you just hook it up and it records video to the cloud. But it also allows you to put an SD card in the back which means you can record locally, and we found that to be really nice. So they give you the card, and you can plug it in and make it work. So we found that really handy. It's great to see that it's in the starter pack. If you want to see how these things work in operation, we actually have a video that shows how the camera and the sensor pack work. So please go ahead and take a look at that. And we haven't tried out yet, because we just got the starter pack, the smart outlets or the bulbs, but we're going to give that a go and see how those things operate as well. The pack is a great way to get started in the smart home. You can control things that are plugged into your outlets. You can control the lights. You can even put sensors on your doors or windows and actually use those to trigger the camera to go off and record. You can use this with Alexa or Google Assistant. There you have it. That's the unboxing of the Wyze Smart Home Starter Pack. It includes the Wyze smart plugs, the 3 of the light bulbs, the camera, the sensor pack, which includes the motion sensor and the 2 window door sensors, and everything else you need to get that whole thing started. So there you go. That's the Wyze Smart Home Starter Pack. And thank you for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you want more information on smart home gadgets, please visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.